Hello, my name is Kevin Davies, and this is the first of my supplementary talks to go with my theory of everything, the Davies hypothesis. And the title of today's talk is the theme of it is the number 12, its significance and its symbolism over the years, and the part it plays in my theory. It's important I give these talks because they, as the name suggests, they're supplementary. They add things that were not previously spoken of in the talks. But anyway, the number 12. We all know there were 12 sons of Jacob. We all know that this led to the 12 tribes of Israel. We know also that Jesus had 12 disciples, and it wasn't an arbitrary number. 12 was important because of the original 12, Judas Iscariot left and was immediately replaced by Matthias to make the number back up to 12. 12 was the number of gates of the celestial city mentioned in Revelation, and I believe the 12 pearls formed the gates also. In the phases of samsara, there are 12, according to the Buddhist creed. The Babylonians, Sumerians gave us the first calendar based on the 12 lunar cycles in the year, later adopted by the Greeks and finally by the Romans. They gave us the calendar that we all recognize today with its months. Also, we have the 12 signs of the zodiac. So you can see that the number 12 has some significance over the millennia. But how does it affect my theory? Well, in my talks I describe how the pleroma, absolutely nothingness, which is responsible for everything, was defined by 16 dimensions. And from the pleroma we were able to show how we can get a dual universe. And in the dual universe we can define that by 12 dimensions. This is the 4 that we ordinarily know, and 8 that ordinarily cancel each other out. Contrast this with the Big Bang theory, which requires 10 or 11 dimensions. I can't keep up. N theory, string theory, suggests that immediately after the Big Bang, these 6 or 7 extra dimensions shrivel up to a size no bigger than the Planck length, which is 1 meter times 10 to the minus 35. I ask you, shriveling dimensions. Anyway, the significance of the 8 that ordinarily cancel out in my theory still continue to play a big part on both a macro and a micro level as far as human beings are concerned. On the macro level, I believe they're responsible for dark energy and dark matter. And on the micro level, they're responsible for the temporal machinations of the brain, including the derivation and continuance of human souls.